To help understand how to use VMComposer, it helps to first understand how the VM4HD works. A presentation for the VM4HD is equivalent to a project in VMComposer. The VM4HD can play one presentation at any given time, which defines what the VM4HD should put on the screen and when. The presentation, or project, contains one or more templates. In crawl or basic user modes, there is only one template, and the template list is hidden in VMComposer. In advanced mode, you have the ability to add more templates and schedule the templates for different time windows and durations. A template defines a layout for the screen. The layout is made up of one or more panes that define a specific area on the screen. When a template is selected in the template list, the pane layout is shown in the preview to the right. Each pane contains one or more scenes. The scenes define the video, image, or text that the VM4HD will display within the pane. When a pane is selected in the pane preview, the scenes it contains are shown in the scene list to the right. When the VM4HD plays a presentation, it first finds a template that is allowed to play and sets that as the active template. In the case of a multi-template presentation, it plays the active template for the duration set in the template dialog, then switches to the next template that is allowed to play. In the case of a single template presentation, it plays the active template until the VM4HD is paused, or the presentation is replaced. You can think of the list of scenes as being a playlist for each pane in the template. When a template is played, the VM4HD will loop through the playlists of scenes for each pane in the template. The real power of the VM4HD is in its ability to schedule content. The schedule defines when a scene will be allowed to play. Multiple schedules can be added to each scene to define more than one time window. For example, weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and weekends from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. The default schedule is Play Always, which means the scene will always be in the playlist. If the current time and date fall within one of the defined schedules for the scene will be in the playlist. If the current time or date does not fall within the scheduled range, the scene will be removed from the playlist. The aggregate of all the schedules defined for a scene is represented graphically in the schedule preview. Here you can see all of the scenes that are allowed to play on any given day, and view the schedule for particular scenes by week and month as well. Crawl messages run independently of the panes in a template and can be thought of as their own playlist that loops through the available messages, waiting for the time between duration to elapse between finishing the previous message and starting the next message. Crawl messages can be scheduled the same way scenes can.